be doing an unboxing. So I'm actually unboxing the BoxyCharm subscription. It's $21 a month. This is the regular box. They also have the Luxy one that's every 3 months, I believe. I don't have that one, I just have the regular one. And I've actually been subscribed to them for over a year, I think. It's been a minute. So far, I really like their items in their box. I haven't really taken a break from them. I've taken breaks from like Ipsy because sometimes I don't know, they're sample sizes, and these are usually full sizes, and it's usually 4 to 5 items, so I think it's a pretty good deal. Most of my makeup collection and brushes and skincare collections comes from this box actually. So when you open it, here are all the products inside, and then you usually get a little card. So this one says BoxyCharm Getaway, and in the back it tells you all the items that you're going to be receiving and their full prices and everything. I try to not read it until the end because I want it to be a surprise. So this box looks like it has 5 items. Yeah, well, more than 5. So we'll get started with the first item. So it's the No Pore Blem, No Problem Prime Essence. It's from Touch in Soul. So I think it's like a primer oil maybe. I just found out that this brand was Korean. I saw another YouTuber's video, and I think her name is Alexandria, and she said she didn't know it was Korean. I was like, I didn't know it was Korean. So it looks like, oh, I should probably show it closed. It looks like this, you know. It's a little dropper at the bottom. This is the first product. It looks like it's full size. Okay, and then the second product that I see is this cleanser cream. So it's from Skin & Co. It says whipped cleanser cream. It is a pretty good size. It looks full size for sure. I recently got the other cleanser, the one from Glam & Glow. This is just a box. I don't know. I used it. It's in the restroom now. But I got this last month. So I'm probably going to start using this until I finish this because I don't like having too many products open at the same time. Because then, you know, the shelf life and everything. So once I get through this one, I'll be using this one for sure. Okay, so next we have 3 face masks. So this is what they look like. They're from, what brand is this? I'm gonna look at the card. Haru Haru. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Probably not. So these look pretty nice. Usually I don't, you know, use masks that much. If anything, I could always give them away. My friends love masks. I have birthdays coming up. I have a collection already. I try to get through the masks, but I probably end up only using like one a month. So I still have other ones to get rid of. But these are pretty nice. I'll at least try one of them. I'll keep one for sure. And then next is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss, I believe. I think it's a lip gloss. And it's in the shade Peach Tea. So this is the box. The box is super pretty, actually. Let me just get in here. Oh, the packaging is so nice. I think this looks super cute, like to just have in your purse and take it out. It's the shade Peach Tea. I think the collection is maybe Lemonade, because this is Lemonade right there if you could see it. But it looks super cute. Oh my god, it smells like fucking frosting. It smells like cupcake frosting. It smells so good. I'm gonna fix you guys up just a second. Hopefully that's better and I don't move it too much. So lastly, the big one. So this one's Tarte Pro Glow number 3 palette. Really nice, sleek feeling. It's matte, as you can tell. Oh, I got a little bit of the lip gloss on it. God damn it. Okay. Okay, it's super cute. So it looks like this. It has mirrors on the side. Oh, I don't know. Mirrors on the side. And in the middle, It's the blush shade. Super cute. I'm gonna like this one better. This one's a little bit muted. Then you have 2 highlighter shades in the middle, and I think they're both cute. This one is more of a gold shade, like a champagne-y, and then this one is more pinky. And then the bottom ones I think are supposed to be the like contour or bronzer. I'm not really sure. This one, I think it might be a little too light for me. We'll see. They probably will be. The blushes are a little bit pinky that I could work with, but the bottom shades are a little bit too dark. This one is actually a matte and this one's a shimmer. I am more drawn towards the matte and this one is a darker shade, so hopefully it will work out on me. Do they have shades name? Oh yeah, they do. So the shade names, let me see if I'm gonna get the order of them correct. I got a little bit on my finger. Okay, so if I'm doing this right, this one would be Dance Floor, A-Lister, and Backstage. And then on the other side it'd be Premiere, Headliner, and Autograph. Hopefully that's right. So this is super nice. I love getting Tarte products because they're usually so expensive, and I'm not gonna lie, but I don't like spending so much money on makeup because I already have a lot and I get a lot from my subscription, the ones that I'm subscribed to, you know. So sometimes I can't justify spending so much unless it's like stuff that you can get, like foundation and stuff like that. So let me just give you guys the full prices. So the first one on the list is the cheek palette. So this one is $45. So that's already makes up for the price of the whole box. The whole box is $21. You're paying for like half of this and getting the rest free. So that's why I really like BoxyCharm, because I feel like I get a bang for my buck. Most of the times, you know, I'm happy with the products. I do like more makeup heavy subscription boxes. That's also why I take breaks from like my Ipsy bag, because they tend to give a lot of skincare and that's not really where I'm at, but it's fine. So this one I think totally worth it, makes the box worth it because it's super cute. And then sometimes, well, depending on the version you guys got, you could get the eyeshadow palette for this month, you know. But I had already got into eyeshadow palette, so I was really hoping not to get that from Tarte as well, you know. And I think it was like a nude eyeshadow palette, so I have plenty of those. So I'm super glad that I got this one instead. Okay, so next listed is the primer essence. So this one was worth $32. That's a lot for primer oil. We're gonna have to test it out to see how it performs, if it actually makes a difference. Sometimes I wear primer, sometimes I don't. It's basically on if I'm in a hurry, if I have time, if I remember. So we'll try this one out, and this one's different because it's more of an oil, like a serum filling. So we'll see if this one's worth it as well. But I'm super excited to try this. Super excited we got this in this month's box. And then we have the lip gloss. So it's Lemonade lip gloss, so that's why it says Lemonade on it. But it was shade Peach Tea. It's $17. I think that's fine. For a lip gloss, I'm not sure. For liquid lip, that would be a little bit more appropriate. I'm so excited to try it. It's a super cute shade. I think it would look nice with like a nude lip, and just to give it a little gloss on top, I think that would be perfect. So next is the Truffle Therapy Whipped Cream Cleanser. Oh, I didn't know it had truffle. I didn't read it. Yeah, it's an truffle extract. Nice. Okay, so this once again is a little bit skincare based, but like I said, I'm so excited to use it, and I would be using it after I use my Glam Glow. So this one is $25. I'm not really into skincare, so I'm not sure if that's a reasonable price. I think so. I mean, it's a pretty big sized bottle. It's full size. It has truffle extract, so I think it's reasonably priced. Let me know if you guys, you know, are more into skincare, think if this is fine for the amount that you're getting. And then lastly, it's the Wonder Berry Antioxidant Mask 3-pack, and it costs $9. So it would be like $3, $6, $9. Each one is $3, but for the back it's $9. I think these are nice, you know. Like I said, I'm planning to keep one and give the rest in like for birthdays or something. I always like face masks just for like a, you know, a self-care day, but like I said, I do like once a month, so it'll be a while till I get to try one of these out. So that was today's unboxing video for BoxyCharm. Like I said, it's $21 a month. If you guys are interested, I'll link it down below. One of those referral links. If you guys are not comfortable using it, you could just look it up on the website. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you guys will still be able to get this month's box. Maybe by the time I upload it, I don't know, it will be towards the end of the month. But you could always sign up for the next month, and then you have a little profile that you fill out to put your preferences and your complexion and skin type. I think that's really important to get correct, because for the last couple months, I've been getting products that are a little bit too dark for like deeper complexion, and I haven't really been able to use them. I know that there's a Facebook page that you could swap with them. I don't know the Facebook page, so I haven't tried to swap the items. They're brand new, haven't touched them, haven't swatched them, because I knew that they were going to be my shades. If you guys know what Facebook page that is, you guys could leave in the comments down below, because I need to get on there and try to exchange the items that, you know, are for better, for deeper complexions. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos. I know these are only a couple first videos that are coming up, but hopefully I will have more content soon, and hopefully I'll get better equipment, because right now I have my phone on a couple of pillows. So hopefully I'll get a better camera or a mic. I don't know if you guys could hear me well. Hopefully you do. If anything, I'll try to, you know, insert little things during editing. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.